What is going on, guys? Today you are joined with me and everyone else we've got today at a corporate event. So we are laying on today, it's a supercar day for all of the clients that we deal with, all of the introducers we deal with and anyone we do business with. So today we are basically driving an F4, 3 or 4 other supercars as well. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. We're going to go out, have some real good fun. That's what happens when you work with us. You get treated to corporate days like this. And if you're interested in working with us, drop us a DM.
How old were you when you started your like business?
Probably about 27.
Oh wow!
27, yeah, 20, just trial and error, and just like did lots of different things, and and so like Danny works for Pike and Crone, the estate agents. I don't know if you heard of them in Lincolnshire. So we work quite close together. Guys from auction, Sam's from auction, and then Claire's our solicitor, and then Reese works for this part of Class as well. So I owe Danny a lot of favours, and I was like, probably this is the best way to repay the favour. So I was like, yeah.
No, it's good, thank you.
Just need to level up next year, maybe a yacht. It's a lovely day, it's a sunny day, it's nice to be driving cars as well, so yeah, I'm looking forward to everyone having a good time.
Has anyone got any questions so far about
Just about like size-wise, are we all going to fit, do you think, in the single seaters?
single seaters?
Just thinking about Sam.
Tell you what, Sam, stand up.
He's not been going to the gym enough recently.
You will fit in a single seater if I'm honest.
Claire, do you want to go first? Ladies first? Come on. Guy, Danny, show how it's done. Not the first time they've been in the back of a police car.
Do the supercars first, you're getting used to the track,
Yeah.
getting used to all the instruction of what you're going to be doing. Then we move into the Atom,
And then the F4.
and then finish off in the F4.
No, it's blue Velcro.
It's got no ABS on it, no traction control, like nothing. It's just pure, yeah, it's a ladder on 4 wheels.
Danny was the first one out. I think he went out in the McLaren there. He's going out in the 520.
70 please.
Alright, I'll go in the front then.
Out to the exit card down here.
Mate, there was a pheasant on the road we were driving and literally pheasant
Yeah, I
was
know.
trod
Yeah,
along.
he goes, oh, just speed up, it'll move.
What did you drive, the Ferrari? Yeah.
Right. Did you get a little score? Yeah. What score did you get?
Did he write it down? I
Should
just
have.
folded it up and put it away.
What did he give you? How you doing, Ben?
34.
Right. Reese is Reese.
Reese.
How are you doing, my friend? My name's Ben.
Nice to meet you. In the red Lamborghini Performante, so looking forward to that. Nice car to drive. Sounds good. It drives well, so looking forward to that. It's the red one over there. Not a bad first car to go in. You enjoy it?
I think that was quite good.
Did you see the pheasant on the road as well?
No.
Oh, good. Okay.
Alright, follow me, dude.
Hi, mate. Are you alright?
Yeah, not too bad. We don't want that, we want to have fun. Move, pigeon. Silly bird. All the way around. Big thumbs up for the camera. A bit longer.
Nice try, dude. Cheers, man. Thank you. That was awesome.
How many points?
Don't know. Let's ask. How many points? 38.
38, you're in the lead.
Not bad. Not bad at all. This is the first supercar day we did for a corporate event. Next year we're going to be doing microlights, little aeroplanes, so that's going to be cool. So stay tuned for that video.
Enjoy your day, Reese.
Thank you, take care.
Mate, isn't that better than the Atom?
Yeah.
Just wow, that was the most incredible experience of my life. I want to feel like Lewis Hamilton driving an F4 car. That was brilliant.
And now to the power line.
was that?
That's so good.
Number one, keep that gear. Yellow number one, and then left lane, yellow number two. That was easy, you can come again.
Brilliant.
Oh, I didn't even have a bite of me apple. Hey, got me talking right fast.
How was it?
Yeah, brilliant. Really, really good. Good score as well.
Hold on, let's have a look at the score.
You can find out later.
God, it was just like no gearing.
Oh, that was really fun.
Fun?
So fun. He's a really good driver as well.
He like talking to you what he was doing.
Yeah.
That's the best bit, that one.
Yeah, really, really fun. Love that. So that is a wrap. That is our SDGB Properties corporate day out. We took out everyone from estate agents, auction house managers, solicitors, business partners, everyone that we work closely with. We have taken them out and we had a great day. It's been really good. I've even got a photo to show. So this is the F4, which is really cool. Probably one of my favourite cars that I drove today. I'm glad everyone's had a really, really good day. And this is what business is about, taking people out, just enjoying your time as well, because business can be stressful at times. So it's just nice to enjoy the small little wins. But yeah, look forward to seeing you guys all soon on the next vlog.